Hello students, today we will create table in HTML. So I have a question for creating table. You can see in the book. This is the question we will do today. And in this question you can see we have to create this table. You can see the web page. So this question you can see the table properly here, and this table we have to create in HTML. So for creating table in HTML we have to open Notepad first or any other text editor. Here we will open Notepad. For opening Notepad you just click on Start, type Notepad in the search box. You can see the Notepad option. Click here. Notepad is opened. Now start typing the code. First you type doc type HTML, then HTML tag, then head tag, then title. You give a title name. I'm going to give here creating table only, or you can give any other name as you want. You can see here I gave creating table title. Close the title tag. But remember, for creating table, title is not that much mandatory. It is just for giving the title of the web page. Okay, we have not started the table coding yet, so this is the beginning part. Then you need to start the style tag. For the CSS part, style type equal double quotation text slash CSS. So we need to use the table selector to give the border. Okay, is to you give any size of border, like I'm going to give here 4px 4 pixel border with solid type and blue color. Okay, I gave the table border as blue color, means around the table the border will come. Then we need to keep the table border around the rows and columns. So here I'm going to use TD for table data. How many table data will be available? That means cell, each and every cell of the table. TD table data. Then comma. We will also give the border in the TH, means table header cell. What will be the table header cell? There we will give border. So we took together TD comma TH, and together we will give border. So border method writing will be same like table only. Border you write, and we will give the same border size here 4px, and we will give the same border type solid. Then give a space. Now you can give the color for the TH and TD border. Okay, TH and TD border. As I already gave blue color for the table border, now I will give the rows and columns border. So I will write here red color, blue will be table border, and TD and TH header cell and other cell will be coming in red color. So curly brace. Now style close. Then you need to close the head tag. Then start body tag. So after the body tag we need to start the main table. So for starting the table we need to use the table tag. Then inside the table we will have how many rows. We can see the question. We need to see the question once. So we will go to the question part. So let's see the question. Here you can see this is the table. You can see here, all of you, this is the table. And here in this table you can see first you can see here, you can see status of air quantity in different cities year 2007. So this will be the caption. So first we need to write the caption, means title to the table. This title of the table we can write by using caption tag. So first we will write caption tag. Then this we will see the question, whatever is given here. Status of the air status of the air quality in different cities. So status of the air qualities, you can see here quality in different cities. Quality in different cities. So here we wrote already this title, we already wrote. Okay, title means that caption. Okay, so title, when you give title, that means that will be the caption, means caption of the table, or you can say title of the table. So we have already completed, and in bracket they have given here year 2017. So we will type exactly like the question, but it is not mandatory when you make that table, because we will actually have to create the table according to our question or according to our requirement. So in this table we have the title in the question, this one, that's why we wrote exactly. But when you do table, you can write according to you, whatever you will have the title in the table, that one we need to write here. So we wrote here status of the air quality in different cities, air 2017, just like this, and caption you close, because we have completed the caption part. So we will close the caption tag. We have closed. Now we will start the first row of the table. You can see in this table, first row, this one, then second row, then third row, then fourth row. We have total 4 rows. 4 rows means left to right, okay, and column means up to down. These are called columns, but left to right, you can see these are rows. So first row will be tr, start tr tag, enter. Then you can use th, because the heading row always th, the main heading row will be th only. So inside the th you need to write first serial number, that row you can see the first cell, that header cell, you write SL, S number means serial number, S number, okay, then th close. Now enter, again th. Next we will see the question, name of the cities, then the next cell SO2, then NO2. So we will now next write name of the city, name of the city. Okay, so here name of the city I wrote. Then next we need to close the th tag. Now next th SO2, so we will write here SO2, but remember 2 we will write here together. But if we want to give 2 exactly like this one, exactly like question, like if we want to give it down, we need to use subscript tag, okay, sub tag. So we need to use sub tag, but we will not do that much long. We will simply write SO2 only, and we will close th, then again th, then NO2. You don't have to worry about this SO2 or NO2. Whatever will be present in the table, we will write this. So this will be like some science related topic like SO2 or NO2. We no need to concentrate about this. We need to create the table, whatever data or whatever writing text are available, we will just type here. So we typed this last column, means last cell in the first row, NO2, and after the last cell, you see after NO2 we don't have anything in the row. This is the row, you can see. So after NO2 you can close tr tag. Okay, so we have completed this first row. Now we will enter and we will start second row, tr, and in the second row, first we can see here one cell number, this one, in this data you can see 1, then Delhi, then 6, then 61. So this row we need to complete. First we will write td tag. This time we will not use th. You can see first row when we have done, we have used th in each and every cell. We have used th because that is the heading that is the heading row, and in the heading row we need to use th. But other rows are not heading row, It is a simple row, and we will use TD. In that row, each and every cell we will define as TD. So here I have used TD. So first we have 1 in TD. Then in the second cell of the second row we have TD again, one more, and you can see Delhi. Then close TD tag. Next again TD. Let's see the table again. Here 6, then the next cell will be 61. So here 6, then TD close. The next again TD, then 61, then TD close. So this TD means each and every cell in the row. Okay, each and every TD are representing a cell in the row. Then we will close the row by TR close. By closing the TR, you can close the row. The next again one more TR. We will start TR. Okay, enter. Next you use TD, and in the question you can see here 2 Bangalore and 2 Bangalore and 14 and 28. Okay, 2 Bangalore, 14 and 28. We will first TD, we will write 2, then close the TD, and second TD Bangalore, then TD close, and questions 14 and 28. Okay, then the fourth number cell will be 14, then TD close, then the third number 14, then TD close, and the fourth number will be TD, then 28. 28 is the data we have done, then TD closed. Now we will close the row because we have completed second row. Now we will do third row. You can do one thing, see the same thing we need to do again and again. You can see this is the first row we have completed, second row we have completed, and third row we need to complete. If you want to type, you can type, and one easy method is there to complete any row. Just we can do the same thing again and again. Like this one, you can see this is the first row, this is the second row. So same way we need to do third row. You can just copy and paste, and you just change this one 2 to 3, and the last one will be Mumbai, and data will be 5 and 33. So you just copy this one and paste like that. Also you can do, just need to change this 3, this one Mumbai, and this one whatever number will be given in the table. But I will type here, but if you want to do in easily without doing any mistake, you can copy and paste, and just you need to change it. Okay, so here you see that we need to write here again TR at last, because last row, at last not actually, last row, you can see this last row, third number, fourth number row, number 3 serial number, and name of the city Mumbai, then SO2 5 and NO2 33. Okay, so first we will type like other row, we will type first TR, then TD number 3, TD close, then we will start TD Mumbai, then TD close, then 5, then TD close, then last cell will be in the fourth row, last cell will be 33 according to the table, then TD close, then last row you close by closing the TR, then you need to close at last table tag. Then you can see our table is finished. Now we need to close body tag. After that, then at last of the program you need to close HTML tag. Then our program is finished. So like this you can create table. So after finishing this table, we need to save it and we need to display it on the browser. For displaying it on the browser, we need to save it. For saving, you click on File, Save or Save as anyone, or you can simply press Ctrl+S. I'm going to click on Save and I will give a name. I will give the name table only. Simply I wrote table.html. Okay, I wrote the name table and extension I gave .html. Then you save in any place or any folder. You can see I'm going to save in desktop, so I will click on desktop and I will just save it, and we will go to desktop now, and our table file we will find. Can you see this table here? So this is the HTML file we have completed. Just we need to open it by double clicking or enter. Just double click here and you can see this is the answer. We have completed this table, and exactly like book we have completed the table. The size of the table you can just increase or decrease by using width and height attribute after the border property. Okay, attribute means property I'm telling. Height and width property you can use after the border property if you want to change the height and width of the table. So for that you need to change right here in this table part. You can see this border. After this border you give semicolon and you can just write height is to give any pixel whatever size you want to give, or width is to whatever size you want to give. Okay, so we will not make it so long. So like this we can create a table. If you want to create a table in HTML, like this you can create the table. Hope you understood how to create the table in HTML, and you can practice in your computer if you want to learn how to create table in HTML. Hope you understood. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.